This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knife blade covers, specifically these Sensei knife blade covers that, as you can see, come in a range of sizes. They are compatible with but sold separately from the Sensei knife collection, but the range of sizes means that you can easily find the right fit for any knife in your own knife kit or collection. We have the 12 by 2, 10.5 by 2, 10 by 1.5, 8.5 by 2, 8.5 by 1.5, 6.5 by 2, 6 by 1, and 4 3/4 by 1. And as you can see, they're a great protective cover. They fit securely and snugly on those knife blades, and they actually feature a felt lining that not only helps those knife blades stay securely put inside the covers, but also helps protect them. So these are a great thing to have if you're, say, a chef and you take your knives with you to and from work, or you travel with them, as they're going to protect the blades in travel and also keep them from maybe damaging your knife kit. They're also going to be fantastic if you're just working in a kitchen, say at home, or a commercial restaurant kitchen where your knives are kept in a drawer, and you want to, one, protect your knives, but also two, keep accidents from happening when you're reaching into that drawer to grab those knives. Knife blade covers are always a great investment, whether you're a pro or working in a commercial kitchen, or you're just at home and you're looking to protect your knives and your fingers. The guard blades protect your knives from damage, like scratches and rust, and they keep them from cutting through your knife kits and protect your fingers as well, which is fantastic. They've got that amazing felt lining that helps to protect the blades and keep that fit snug and keep them securely in place. The protectors themselves are made from a BPA-free plastic and can be hand washed. They're great for the culinary enthusiast in your life or for professionals looking to protect their tools and increase the longevity of those knives. Knives are a big investment for most culinary professionals, so protecting them is just as important as the quality of the knives you're buying. So these are a great investment for individual chefs, restaurants, caterers, hotels, or any food establishment that's really looking to protect their knives and their employees.